Have you actually sat down with yourself and taken a look at the past and all of the things that have brought you up until this moment today and actually cleared the past so that you can actually be empowered to step in right now into your life and into the space, goals, and commitments that you've made for yourself in this 2019 year? If not, I ask you the question, why not? Why haven't you taken the time to do that? Why haven't you stepped into the space to recognize and realize the faults that we had in the past, or the responsibilities we shied away from, or the mistakes that we made? Because through those things is this huge mountain of learning. And if you are not stepping into that space to learn from it, I can pretty much guarantee you that it's going to show back up into your space. So I apologize if you guys can hear that construction noise. They're doing some renos downstairs, and I refuse to not do this video at this point in time right now because that's just who I am. So if you hear it, I apologize on that. But clearing out the junk in your space. In 2018, had an amazing year when it came to experiences and adventures, but I also had this year of these emotional challenges that showed up that I've never had to deal with before in my life. And I stepped into the space at the end of 2018 to really recognize why certain things showed up for me that last year, why patterns were being revealed, why I shied away from stuff, why I didn't take responsibility for things. And it was a super eye-opening, vulnerable, and real experience. And it kind of opened up this space for me to be able to take a look and take responsibility for what had happened and to be able to make the shifts that I need to make in order to get into 2019. I just got off a webinar where we were talking about letting go of 2018 and stepping into 2019. And one of the key aspects of that is doing this reflection. So have you actually cleared that past? Have you brought it forth, acknowledged it, thanked it for being there, and are now putting in new tools, new resources to shift and change in that action? So that's the question today, is if you haven't, it's time to step in, be real with yourself and authentic with yourself and have those hard conversations with yourself. Because if you are not having those hard conversations with you, I can pretty much guarantee that you're not having those hard conversations in life, which means that you're not telling your boss the way that you really feel, you're not expressing yourself to your partners in life, you're not actually being real and authentic with your coworkers, friends, kids, all of that. It's showing up somewhere else too. Step in, have the real conversations, clear the past so you can really get what you want this year. But you need to make the choice. This is about you. This isn't about anybody else doing this for you. And until you do that, I can guarantee you're still going to be playing a low ball game. Even if you make millions of dollars a year, you are not playing at full capacity if you're holding on to the past. Whatever impact you're supposed to make in the world is not being done at the level you can be because you're dragging this along with you. Step in. It's time. Let's do this. Let's make it happen. And like always, I believe in you. So let's go get it done. I'll see you soon.